Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name's Chris, this is Taylor Welding, and this is the most recent project we have taken on at Taylor Welding. 40-foot container, beat up, going to a golf course. Needs to be nice. The client didn't know it was beat up, thought he was getting a really straight, nice container that didn't have holes in the top of it. But sometimes what you think you get and what you get is two different things. I put a man door on this side, did this side first because I wanted to see how this stuff would act. I'm not very pleased with it, but it's kind of is what it is, you know. But this is the door you won't see. This is the door for the employees. The other side is the bar top. But I'm going to flip the camera around and show you the man door. It's barely tacked in there, and the way I fastened it was pretty unique. Before we get going, please hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell. I have to say it, people forget, it helps me. Thank you. Let's go. Here's the incognito man door. Kind of blends in. He wanted industrial. This is about industrial as it gets for a man door. When you open it, you have to snatch it, but it locks itself. I don't have the gasket material on it yet. That'll get much quieter. And that's the catch. It's an 1.5-inch pipe capped on both ends with a spring and a ball bearing in it. You can see the ball bearing. It's right there, and it goes into the female side there. Pretty neat. It works well. The only problem is without the gasket material, it is deafening. So that'll have to be fixed. Now on the other side, the bar top area. That's the cutout. 18-4 square tubing going around the cutout, and then square tubing the same size, again, same frame, with plate. Imagine 6 foot of plate, a riser coming up, 6 foot of plate, a riser coming up, 6 foot of plate, with a beam trolley. That way it'll slide all the way down, out of the way. The main reason is it's so beat up, I really want to cover all that stuff up down there. So if we make this a nice sliding door that has 3 spots to put artwork, logo, you know, whatever you want. It'll be like a blank canvas for some plasma stuff. We can slide this out of the way and it'll cover up all the imperfections down there. I send my clients a video once a week on my progress, kind of an update video. I thought I would do it with you guys. And another reason for making this video is the people in the comments that are regulars have wonderful ideas. I learn something every time I go into the comment section. And you guys that are just breaking out welding, or you want to know about containers and stuff like that, get in there. There's going to be some really good people throwing out some knowledge. Have an awesome, awesome day. I'll see you in the next one. Later.